Oh,
I
last time-
need
Do you
this.
remember when I had to eat last time? You got all
My
the
blood
cookies.
glucose is low.
Oh, welcome to the Willpower Coffee Break Wrap-Up. Section 3 really sets the stage for the rest of the course. We ruled out motivation in Section 2, and we've discussed the challenges of willpower.
Oh, since willpower is the best strategy, we want something that maximizes our success with it.
Well, thanks for joining us, Stephen.
It's my pleasure.
What's that you're eating?
It's my cookie.
Speaking of cookies,
Oh, yes, the cookie radish study that we covered in this section was a real breakthrough in willpower. It used to be believed that willpower was an unlimited resource, but this study showed us otherwise.
yeah, it's amazing that something so small could make such a big difference.
Yeah, it's one of the many things that can deplete our willpower. And we cover the 5 biggest willpower drainers in this section, and also how many habits help to prevent those drainers from killing our habits.
That sounds important.
It is.
Well, because if you don't run out of willpower, then you won't fail to take action. But as you discussed in your talkie time session, many of those willpower depleting situations are unavoidable. So we need a strategy that can work even with a very small amount of willpower.
Yes. And according to everything we've discussed in Mini Habit Mastery about the brain, about motivation, about willpower, and about habit formation itself, the absolute best strategy for forming habits is a strategy that allows you to perform consistently even in those low willpower, bad day situations. And we're going to cover that strategy next.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Cheers. Cheers.